Take that away. Take that away. I said take that away. Deep. Oh, Madam Ji, the thing is that I have made a mistake. I was taking this for washing. By mistake, I tripped and this dropped. Please forgive me. Sorry. What are you staring at? Take that away or else I will kill you right now.
Shh.
Deep.
Tara, no.
Leave me.
Tara, pick it up.
Oh, sir. What has happened? Have I made some very big mistake or what? Why was Tara madam shouting at me for this? What has happened?
Nothing. Take this and you go.
Okay.
Cannot understand why God is doing this with my daughter. Why is He punishing me? I have not left any stone unturned in worshipping Him. I have done a lot of charity as well. My daughter was getting better, right? Yes, sister. Have faith in God. He doesn't do bad things to good people. Blessings of many people are with you for all the charity work that you do. And we are blessed because of you. You see, nothing will happen to Tara. Just once we get hold of this blackmailer, then you see, Tara will get perfectly fine.
Tara, let's do one thing. For many days we've not gone anywhere. Let's go for a movie and then for a drive. I told you earlier, it'll be fun. Let's go.
Blood. Move it away. Move it away from me. I hate blood. I don't like blood. Please move it away from me. I hate blood. Move it away from me.
Rose syrup? How did this come on my hand?
This means that the blood on the sheet was actually rose syrup.
Bindiya! No enemy of ours can be so smart that they bring so much rose syrup in the house and nobody gets to know about it. This means that the rose syrup which was used to scaring Tara, it was bought from the house itself.
Deep sir, what are you saying? All the groceries are kept in the storeroom only. Pulses, rice, rose syrup and all the sauces also. And the keys of this room, they stay with me or with dad. No enemy can come here, Deep sir.
Whoever had come here will be found out. Open the lock. How are these bottles empty? Where did the rose syrup go from these? Say, Bindiya.
Deep sir, I don't know anything. I didn't do anything. I'm innocent. And why would I do such a thing with Tara, ma'am? She takes so much care of me, sir.
Yes, sir. We have been loyal to Mummy ji for so many years. You have seen us from childhood. We cannot even think of doing such a thing.
Maharaj, I understand. But how did these bottles get empty? Where did the rose syrup go from these? The key stayed with you people, right? Who else could do such a thing?
Kesari! Yes, Deep sir. It is Kesari who has done all of this. We doubted her from before only. Just yesterday, when I touched her hand, the paint came off from her body, Deep sir.
Yes, Deep Baba. I also don't find her acts normal. And we have told this to the doctor yesterday. And even he suspects that some enemy has sent Kesari over here. Doctor had asked us to tell nothing to you. Or else we would have told you yesterday.
Where is Kesari? Call her.
Oh, sir. What happened? Why have you called me here?
Who are you? And where have you come from?
Me? From Uttar Pradesh. I've come from UP. 2 districts away from that MLA Sushil Pandey's area, Dugeria village, Eastern Uttar Pradesh. I am from there only.
Who all are there in your house?
Sir, there is nobody. Actually, I had a husband. Fraud. He cheated on me and ran away.
What do you mean?
Sir, it means that my husband, he was a monster. He was not a man. He used to make me work at the stable the entire day, and he used to go and play cards. He lost all my hard-earned money in gambling. He even mortgaged my jewelry worth 6,000. Oh God, what to say, sir? It was not enough for that monster. He went to my brother and sister-in-law to ask for money from them. They were poor people. Where would they have got the money? So he got into fights with them. And he killed them. I tried to stop him a lot. But I couldn't save my brother and sister-in-law. If the monster could, then he would have killed me as well. But the thing is that I somehow managed to save my life and came straight to Mumbai. And here I am working at people's houses and somehow managing to feed myself by doing household chores. Sir, the thing is that whenever I talk about that monster-like person, my heart sinks and my eyes get filled with anger. At first, he expressed a lot of love towards me. He was the first man in the village to show his wife, that is me, a movie. But what was the point of all that? Everything was a lie after all. Fraud. He left me and ran away. He took everything away from me. He destroyed me completely. And that's why I don't trust anybody. I live here alone, earn and feed myself, and that's it. Oh God, I have spoken too much. Sorry.
Liar? Cheat? She has put color all over her body, sir.
Oh God. What are you saying? Have you lost your mind? This is my real complexion since childhood. My daddy and mummy had the same complexion. Absolutely 100% real, understood?
We will know right now.
Did you people see? I told you the truth, right? Why didn't the color come off? How can this happen? Liar, show me. How is the color not coming off?
Hey, listen, madam. You know that? What this is? You know, after putting this on, neither that Bindya nor her father can wipe it off.
What type of thing is in this?
Hey, listen. This is not some ordinary color, which will just come off by wiping.
Why isn't the color coming off? How is it even possible? Yesterday only I had seen sir.
Enough now. Stop suspecting me. What are you people doing with me? Suspecting me? Me? And sir, I consider him as my father. That's why I didn't tell him anything. kept shut, or else I don't like if any unknown man even raises their eyes towards me. And she might twist my hand only. I know that since I am poor, all you rich people are behaving badly with me. I have no respect only. The thing is that I am very hurt. I am very upset.
Hey, stop crying and all. And straight up say, who has sent you? We know everything. You were the one who had stolen the rose syrup. And you are the one who is scaring Tara.
Oh God, Madam, what are you saying? Why will I scare Tara, Madam? And what did you say? Rose syrup? What is that now?
Syrup of rose?
Syrup of rose?
That thing with which you have written on the walls of Tara's room?
Madam, why would I write? Yes, I had surely gone to her room, and I even saw that the sheet was all red in color. But I thought it would seem like big words from small mouth, so I kept quiet. And you put the entire blame on me only. Moreover, how would I bring this syrup inside the house? And why?
Why would you need to bring all of that, huh? Since you have stolen all of it from the storeroom.
Storeroom? I don't even know where the storeroom is in this house. Actually, the thing is that whenever anything gets over in the kitchen, Maharaji or Bindya goes and bring it. So the keys of the storeroom is also with them, not with me. And if anything has disappeared from the storeroom, then they should take the responsibility, right? They will know. How will I know?
So you mean to say that we have done all of this? Do you even know that you are accusing Roma Madam's most loyal servants?
Maharaji, you are not the only loyal person. My loyalty is also a thing. I am also very loyal. I have felt really bad due to the accusations you all have put against me. I have felt very hurt. That's why I have decided that I will not work here from today. I am going from here. Big sir. The thing is that I am going now. So please take care of yourself. And yes, go to see the sun every morning, okay? That will help your body get strengthened. And you see, you will get better really soon. Take medicines on time. And yes, put a big bell. Because I know that you will ring the bell and nobody here will hear it. But you still ring it and put a big bell. Sir, take care of yourself. Actually, I am joining my hands. I will leave now.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.